Over the past few years, many videos have popped up with titles like Strange Sounds from the Sky or Loud Trumpet Sounds Heard Around the World. As far as I can tell, there are basically two types of these videos: absolute hoaxes and genuine sounds that people are hearing, most of which have obvious explanations.
What's that noise?
Dude. Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that?
There's the sound of your source.
That's a haunting sound, if we've ever heard one. One ball, no strikes. And the bunt is foul. The count is 1-1.
Now, what could that possibly be? Somebody shut the door.
It sounds supernatural.
A waterway in eastern China has mysteriously turned a blood red color. Residents in Zhejiang province said the river looked normal at 5 a.m. Beijing time on Thursday morning. Within an hour, the entire river turned crimson. Residents also said a strange smell wafted through the air. The really weird thing is that we have been able to catch fish because the water is normally so clear, one local villager commented on China's microblogging site Weibo. Inspectors from the Wenzhou Environmental Protection Bureau said they have not found the cause of the incident, although water samples seem to indicate the suspicious color was a result of illegal dumping in the river. We suspect that somebody dumped artificial coloring in the water because he thought the typhoon yesterday would cause heavy rain, and nobody would notice the color, Junfeng Xiao, chief of the bureau told China News. It turned out there wasn't heavy rainfall yesterday, so the evidence is left behind, Xiao said. Xiao said there is a paper manufacturer, a food coloring company and clothing maker along the river. The bureau is still investigating the incident.